what do you think about the capital bailout poured into the markets? Isn't it an artificial way to boost the market? Yeah, thanks. So the market ripped to the upside. A lot of that was actually not people buying stocks, like average investors. That was actually hedge funds covering their shorts. So hedge funds can make money. Hedge funds are like mutual funds. And mutual funds, we know, are just, they buy stocks. And when you buy a stock, it's called, I'm long a stock. Go long. I'm long a stock. The opposite of owning a stock, meaning betting against a stock, is called shorting a stock, which means you're expecting the stock to go down and you make money off it. And so what happens is a lot of hedge funds, and they're called hedge funds because think of your backyard. You've got a hedge around your backyard protecting your backyard. That's what hedge funds do. They protect capital. They buy stocks, meaning they go long, and they short stocks, meaning they bet they're going to go down to protect capital in case times are tough, which they are now. And whenever there's slightly positive news that comes out, hedge funds panic and they get rid of their shorts. They buy back the shorts to close those positions out. And that's why one of the big reasons why you saw a big move as well. There's also a government slush fund in many countries. Okay, I'm not going to talk any more about it, but it basically means governments have a lot of money and sometimes they'll buy stocks. And what happens when the stock market goes up is it's almost like it's a stimulus being injected into the market and it costs the government nothing. So I think if the market goes up a lot, people will, from a sentiment perspective, feel a little bit better about their net worth if people own stocks, which most people do, especially in their retirement fund. So yeah, that's what I have to say about it. It is artificial, but it is sentiment driven as well. And perception becomes reality a lot of times when people think about, the outlook for the future. If people perceive that it's going to be great, or if Trump says we're going to see pent up demand and a massive rebound after this is all done, if people start believing that and feeling comfortable about that, then that creates positive sentiment, which makes the market go up, which costs the government nothing, which helps the economy because everybody feels richer and everybody spends more. And a lot of people don't realize this, but 2/3 of the U.S. economy is based on consumer spending. It's not big business. So, and about 1/3 of the global economy is the U.S. economy. And 2/3 of that is consumer spending. And so when politicians in America come out and start saying more upbeat things, I don't think it hurts anybody. I think what hurts us is if we don't take the coronavirus seriously. However, if Trump talks a game about how things are going to look a lot better longer term, I'm happy he's doing that because it's creating hope. Even if you don't completely believe it yourself, there's nothing wrong with being optimistic. Nothing wrong. I'm happy that Cuomo and Newsom, the governors of New York State and California State, respectively, I'm happy that they're taking this very seriously. And we're all quarantined from home now. I'm happy that happened. It's a smart thing to do. And some people say Trump should react more quickly, whatever. And I agree too. However, if he talks up a big game about how America's economy is going to roar to the upside after this is done, good for him. Good for him. There's nothing wrong with spreading optimism longer term.